Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, mind, body, wisdom expert and master dowser and best-selling author of this book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. I'll just read this really quickly from Deb Shapiro's book, Your Body Speaks Your Mind. She says, frequent urination implies an inability to adapt to different circumstances or to expand into new experiences. Well, that could be very true, especially as we get older, right? It may be also a way of avoiding interaction, having an excuse not to participate. Yeah, sure, sorry, I can't go. Can't go to that protest downtown. There's no good bathrooms and I ain't going in one of those porta potties. I could tell you that. So all you have to do is clear your governing vessel meridian, which is a meridian that runs from the bottom of the spine all the way down to under your nose. There's a bunch of acupressure points here. You can tap on them, or you can run your hand in an arc over the top of your head like this. As you talk about things, you can also spin a pendulum or a necklace. You see me doing this on the other videos. Counterclockwise to release things, and clockwise to spin in affirmations. So what I would do is just start clearing and talking about the issue and letting it go. I now release this fear I have that's causing me to have to pee a lot, because I feel under pressure all the time to make a decision, to make a life change, and I'm afraid of making the wrong decision because, like everyone else, I've made unwise decisions in the past and regretted them. Let's let go of all that regret now, releasing all regret from all unwise decisions made in the past. I let go of my fear of not being safe if I make this decision, even though I feel under so much pressure to get it done. It could be even writing a new will, right? Or creating a living trust. There's so many reasons we feel under pressure to make decisions. Even like changing internet providers. But just let go of the fear, because when decisions are made in fear, they usually aren't that wise. I'm sure you know that. I release my fear and my pressure I'm feeling now that the bad times are never going to end if I make the wrong decision. And I feel under pressure to make this decision, and it's making me pee a lot, and I let go of that. I also release now my feeling of being perhaps pissed off that's causing this frequent urination. Pissed off at politics, the world, what's happening in the world, what's happening in my family. Pissed off at getting older. Pissed off at the neighbor's dog barking all the time. So many reasons to be pissed off. I let them all go now because it's affecting my body and I don't want to be upset anymore. Although it is fun being a curmudgeonly elder, isn't it? So what you do is just relax. See how you feel about that. Do you feel less pressure? Do you feel under less pressure? If you feel anything else coming up or any memories that pissed you off or made you feel under pressure and stress, just clear, talk about it and clear and say, I release this fear that when this happened, you are a treasure and you deserve that and you give so much to others. I know you do. Bye for now. Peace out. Namaste. Get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book on my website, emorescue.com. There's also links to all my Amazon books and other interesting information. Thank you.